Making homemade pancakes from scratch is a simple and rewarding process. Here's a basic recipe for classic pancakes. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup buttermilk, 1/4 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Melted, optional, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: preheat your griddle or non-stick skillet. Place it over medium heat while you prepare the pancake batter. Combine dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Combine wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract if using. Mix the batter. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and gently stir until just combined. It's okay if there are a few lumps. Overmixing can result in tough pancakes. Grease the griddle or skillet. You can use a bit of butter, cooking spray, or oil. Scoop and cook using a ladle or measuring cup. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the griddle for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface. Then flip the pancake and cook the other side until golden brown. Serve. Once cooked, transfer the pancakes to a plate. You can keep them warm in a low oven around to OOF or 9°C while you cook the rest. Add toppings. Serve your pancakes with maple syrup, fresh fruit, whipped cream, or any other toppings you like.